Today I'm making delicious chicken thigh bites. I have about 2 pounds of chicken thighs that I have trimmed up and then soaked in salt water for about 30 minutes. Then I've drained those and cut the thighs into bite-sized pieces. I've added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, and coated all of the chicken well. After that, I added enough flour to completely coat all of the chicken pieces. I have a skillet that's already hot with oil. I'm placing the pieces of the chicken thigh in there, and I'm going to cook it covered for 5 minutes on one side, and then take the lid off and turn that over and cook for another 5 minutes on the other side. After that, I'll remove the lid and let the chicken crisp up a little bit and just get a little browner. After the chicken is fully cooked, I'm going to put that in a strainer to drain the grease. You could also put that on paper towels to drain the grease as well. Then I also have a bowl that I'm putting some barbecue sauce in, and I'm going to toss the chicken bites into that. And here I realize I need a bigger bowl, so I've switched, and I'm just going to toss all the chicken bites in the barbecue sauce, and then it's ready. I have some ranch dressing. You could have any dressing that you prefer. Just put that on a platter, and it's ready to serve. This makes a great snack, or you could make a couple side dishes and turn this into a complete meal. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Try this recipe, let me know how you like it, and I'll see you next time.